Salama daoli. In this class today, we're going to learn a phrase that you will need a lot when you want to buy something. When you come to a shop, after your greetings, your salama, then you can directly go and say anov plus the item that you would love to buy plus the number or the amount of the item that you want to buy and plus azafadi at the end. So you have anov plus the item plus the number or the amount and then at the end azafad. Okay, so let's practice. Anov siramam reklau azafadi. So there I said, please give me a kilo of sugar. So anovi siramam irai kilau azafadi. Anov siramam reklau azafadi. Anov siramam reklau azafadi. Then you could buy, let's say, mufkas. Anov mufkas yen. Anov mufkas yen azafadi. Anov mufkas yen azafadi. So give me 6 mufkasi, please. And lastly, we could say anov faru kapok. Anovi fari ru kapok. Anov faru kapok azafadi. Anov faru kapok azafadi. Listen to me ordering something. Can you guess what I'm actually ordering and how many of them?
Banov minakela na
Yeah. Them? Yes, you guessed right. I ordered menakeli, the popular bread that comes with mufkasi and ramanunak. Now it's your turn. How do you say, please give me 2 kilos of carrots if you would love to buy it at the market? Yes, you guessed it. You would say anov karoti ruklau azafadi. Anov karoti ruklau azafadi. Anovi karoti rukilau azafadi. Anov karoti rukilau azafadi. If you would love to make it even more formal, you can add mba at the beginning of that sentence. So that is already correct. That is already very formal. You're already malalafumb or formal. But you can say mba anovi if you really want to be even more polite than that. So you can say mba anov karot ruklau azafadi. Mba anov mufkas ruklau azafadi. And that's all for today. See you next time.